Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can send GIFs in Snapchat. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have photo, and now you want to do is click here, the sticker here, and then you will find it here, the button GIF. All you want to do is click on it, and now you will have GIFs here. What you want to do is search what you want to like, dog, and you have like a lot of dog GIFs. So let's say this guy with the spaghetti, and what you can do is make it bigger, rotate it, whatever. Or let's also write here cat, and now see you got plenty of cat GIFs here that you can use. It's quite simple, and so I have this pink cat here. It's like a really good GIF. So this is how you can add GIFs in Snapchat. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.